Welcome to our new tutorial. Since we have finished digitizing our model area, the next step is to simulate it. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to start a simulation on our homepage. So today, we would like to give you an overview about the data structure and the files needed to start a simulation. As a first step, it is recommended to manage your workspace and create a new project folder. You'll need to decide whether you want to use the local project database or stick to the global user database. Either way, these files need to be stored in the same folder as every other file related to your EnviMet project. The sim file configures the simulation and contains some mandatory aspects, for example, the meteorology or the duration of your simulation. Other elements like cloud cover are optional. To create a new sim file or adapt an already existing one, use the project wizard. If you have not changed the settings of the obligatory elements, the default settings will be used for your simulation. Right at the beginning of the project wizard's dialog, you are going to be asked for an area input file. This is the INX file you have created in Spaces. It contains all the information about your model area, like vegetation, buildings, pollutants, and so on. In addition, the settings of the spatial resolution and the model rotation and location are also stored within. When everything is set, you can finally start your simulation.